It's like, when I go to the embassy, listen to that tricky part, you know. I say for follow numbers. I went to do my biometrics.
Yeah,
for those who don't know what biometrics is, fingerprint and then we can record it. And when I did it on the 22nd of December, when I was leaving the British High Commission or the embassy, they told me that I will get back my passport 10 working days. So if it's the 22nd of December, see me, you don't know Christmas and Boxing Day out. So we are look for maybe the first week of January. You know when I get back my passport? Let me tell you when I fly. I fly the January the 24th. Make a one guess the audience and guess when I get back my passport. Oh yeah! The 24th on the day when I fly. One problem. Every week then call me. You have IMDb? Yes. Call back. It have to be pro. Boom. All right. Boom. We need to see when I contract or when I move them in. So me have a call back Arvin.
And send the contract. And send the contract.
Yeah. After that now, boom. We don't think we carry him for write one long letter to the every week. Then come up with something. Me ball, you fart, me ball.